Blocking a country in Cloudflare is actually very easy. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Cloudflare account. And once you're on your Cloudflare dashboard, you're going to find the domain that you want to block a country for. Now, once we click into that domain, on the left sidebar, we can see security and we can come to security overview. Now, on the security overview, the first thing you see is web application exploits. And on the web application exploits, we have quick links and we're going to click on manage custom rules. Now, here we're going to create a rule to block requests coming from a particular country. So we're going to create a rule, create a custom rule. Now we're going to name the rule block UAE. We're going to come here and in the field, we're going to choose country and we're going to make sure the operator is equals to, and here we're going to write United Arab Emirates, which is the UAE. Now the action that we want to do is to choose action. The action that we want to do is block. So we're going to block this country from accessing our website. And just as we're done with that, we're going to click on deploy. Now you see the rule is here to block UAE and it's active. Now that's how you block a country in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.